Morning guys, January 2nd, 2021. It's Saturday morning. I got a call from a customer of mine, you know, New Year's type of thing, wanted me to go out there. Got a leak in relief valve in a boiler. So they told me I had to go out yesterday or today, which is no New Year's or Saturday. I told them, you know, we'll see. They got a bucket under it, so it's nothing major. Probably, they say when the boiler runs, a relief valve leaks. So it's a leaker. It's a leaker, Mama, it's a leaker. Anyway, we're gonna go over there. It's probably the expansion tank that's compromised, so we'll drain down the boiler and check the pressure in the tank and see what we got in that. Most likely it's the tank that's bad, and then that leads to the relief valve leaking. Or it could be the feeder. There's a couple other things it could be. Most likely it's the tank. We'll check it. Oh, you're looking very stylish today, Miss Molly. You're looking very stylish today, Miss Molly. Anyway, we'll try to get you some shots when I get there. I told the guy if he wanted to wait till Monday it'd be cheaper, but he wants me to come out on Saturday, so there you go. There you go. We're on our way. Another happy customer. Another satisfied customer, Mama. Another satisfied customer. Yo. Yo. It's pretty warm here today. It's probably like 45 this morning. 40, 45, raining. If this was colder, it'd be snow, but sorry to hear that. Yeah, so she's dripping.
Yeah.
It's kind of in a weird spot in the back there.
Yeah.
Tank's here, 16. Well, at least I can get to it. I mean, that's what?
I know you've replaced
5 years, right?
valve a couple times too. You put it in. What do you think about the overall boiler, though?
I think it's so fine. I mean, why change it?
I just wondered about, you know, this always makes me nervous. And
well,
it looked like a little bit of a seam was coming
once
out.
it starts leaking, only change it. I don't want to spend your money on you unless you have to, right?
Yeah, I mean, if you think it's got like a year left, then I would...
Well, I would definitely wait. I mean, it's not leaking nothing crazy here, so let's leave it.
Okay.
I mean, where's the drain on this thing? I don't even see it. Oh, it's right there. Alright, let me hook up my stuff and we'll drain it. And,
You want me to shut the furnace off?
I already did.
Wait, outside? Oh, you're right here, you did. Sorry. Let's get this
We're gonna have to, so there's no glycol in it, right? How many zones you got? 3 zones. We're gonna have to open them up to purge it. But let's do a little repair first. And then we'll check it. Gotta check the tank.
I did notice this year there was a lot of noise at the beginning when it started up. And I just reached that little...
Well, we're gonna purge it anyway.
Purge it, okay.
Yeah. Off there. Well, we had some air in there. Well, 11 pounds. So that's fine. That's still good. So we got a bad relief. We'll just change that and get the stuff back in it. It's possible that this feed is bad, but probably not. Probably just a bad relief. That's surprising. and purge it. It should be good. Looks like the feeder's stuck. Feeder was stuck, common. Alright, we'll do one at a time here. We'll do this one first. You got a well here?
Yes.
Yeah, so it's going up the supply and coming back to return here and out. Alright, we're getting a good flow there. I don't think I lost a lot out of it. We'll do them all three. Give it a good douche. I got a hydrant here, that seems to be okay.
Yeah, when it was making noise, I just, you know, the little valve on top of that sofa, I just cracked that a little bit.
And air came out and it was fine?
Yeah, it was fine.
Most guys would be trying to sell you a new boiler. You know? I mean, I wouldn't change it unless it starts leaking. I mean.
Yeah, I think the only thing, like I said, was I saw.
Yeah, well, you're getting a little leakage around there, but nothing major. Eventually, you'll probably have to change it. I definitely wouldn't go with this style.
You would not?
No.
What would you go with?
Something that's got a nice swing door so we could get in there and clean it. You know, see, this is. It's not the greatest.
What does a new boiler cost?
Something like this, probably. $6 grand.
Yeah.
I don't know if that feed is even working. No power venter. We changed the motor on that, I believe, haven't we?
Looking in there, it looks like the gasket is like coming out a little bit.
Yeah, you can't do nothing about that because that's a tankless. I wouldn't touch that because them bolts are snapping in. You can't get them out.
Yeah, that's what I was wondering.
So no, if it gets to the point where it's leaking too much, we're gonna change the boiler. I wouldn't attempt that because them aren't even hardened bolts. They'll snap right off.
Yeah.
You know, that's a rookie move trying to fix that thing.
No, that's what I was.
Yeah, no.
That's what I was wondering about just the time.
Yeah, I don't know about that feeder.
The line that you're.
Doesn't seem to be giving me a lot of pressure. She's leaking some more. Brand new one. that can't be working. We know the tank's good, so it's got to be this feed is bad. We'll change that.
Steve, have you been burnt before?
Me?
Yeah, with the, is that why you photograph everything?
I have been a couple of times.
Yeah.
It don't hurt. It's so pretty clean. We changed the if we change the feeder, yeah, and then it still leaks. Well, we know it's the tankless, right?
Yeah.
Because the feeder should shut off
if there's a leak.
Well, this feeder might be feeding by and not shutting off too, right? Yeah. I mean, but there's also a chance that the tankless coil has a pinhole in it or a leak, and it's pissing pressure into the boiler side, right? And building pressure. Let's change this feeder. Try this. So I was saying, anything mechanical can fail, right?
Always.
Anything mechanical can fail at any time. I don't have another. Oh, I might have one. Short one like that. You want to change that tridecator too?
Sure. I think it needs it.
Well, it's not reading accurate because this thing was. Purge it again, but it'll take us long. You're gonna get the shot when it comes out?
Vaccine?
Yeah.
Yeah, both my daughters just got their first doses.
Now, what? Are they okay with it, or?
Yeah, they've been
no issues.
No.
Nothing.
Nothing. I just had the shingles shot. Have you had that?
No, but they say that's one that you want to get. You don't want to get that.
My wife had it while we were in Puerto Rico a couple of years ago.
Did she have it, the shingles?
She got it down one side of her body.
Bad, huh?
Weird. Yeah, the weirdest thing, and bad. Yeah, hurt her.
Really?
Yeah.
I mean, yeah. Oh, so it just come on all of a sudden?
Just, yeah, I mean, we're on vacation. It's supposed to be stress-induced. Like, you know.
No shit, huh?
So I just had the first one. And that one I had.
See if I can change that tridecator, because the thing's not working. It's kind of weird because it was working when I got here, and then after I drained it, it wouldn't work, right?
Yeah.
Not the weirdest thing?
No. Not anymore.
It was just working when I got here, and then after I drained it, it wouldn't work no more. Go figure that one. Oh. Just your luck, huh?
I don't mind doing preventative maintenance on anything.
Almost there. I should have just went with the long one, but I don't have a long one. What a weird setup, huh?
Yeah. You put everything in your way they could possibly do.
Right. That's what I need right there. I'll try that out now. Try the new one out. Alright, so we're probably about 15. Give it some time. New feeder. New relief valve, new tridecator, new feeder, purge zones. All back on, everything's back open. All the heads are reinstated. I like to check this stuff because sometimes I forget to do it. You know?
Always good.
Check twice. No leaks. I did tighten this up a little bit more. See anything dripping. I'll put a pick up all my stuff and we'll let this run for a little bit, but. Alright, so we're up to 150 already and it's not building pressure. It's about 18 or 15 and we're at 150, so I think we're good. The greatest thing with this is it doesn't have the swing door, you know?